Wait, aren't you supposed to earn them by actually learning the skills? 3, bam, gym shower! How's that for awkward fun? You wanna try me? I'll drop your credit score so low you won't even be able to get a loan at the library, punk!
The stupid door won't open. What was that? Don't worry about it, I'm fine.
Yes, Father. I liked his broken horse stroke. It was funny. Their legs do stop working when they eat too much sugar. It's called laminitis.
Mr. Boys,
Yes, Miss Fortune?
has anyone reached the end of the game and gotten the eternal happiness? I want to win this prize for my mommy.
You can put them over there. I can't. Something's not right. What did you just call me?
Yeah, I know that. No, I want to get sent home, so you do what I say.
Hey, I've grown up a lot. But did you see me kick him in the face? I'm an asset. I kick butt.
Really? Hey, he's totally underage. She's taking advantage of him. You see, we've learned something today. Swearing can be fun, but doing it all the time causes a lot of problems.
But today I learned that morality is relative. I trust you. Girls, do you realize what's happening here?
I was never planning to go, but I was kind of curious.
I'm a Garden Club superstar.
Look what you did! You traumatized him!
Hidden. I was saving you.
One day, I'm gonna ride in one of those things. That... I'm ready.
Yeah, shoot.